Welcome everybody to another off the wall video. So I've been coming across, when I do my SEO for my videos, I keep coming across Doordash promo code searches. I'm trying to educate myself on every aspect of the gig economy, down to promo codes and just anything of the sorts. So we're gonna do a little investigation, not investigation, just watch what videos of other people have put out there. So I've already watched a few videos pertaining to this just out of curiosity, because apparently a lot of people search for it. My conclusion is that there are obviously promo codes, or else they wouldn't have a spot to put them all in the app. But there's also a lot of bad things out there, and we're going to take a look at both the good and bad things. So we're going to pull up Doordash promo codes and look at this. So right off the bat, we're coming up to save $100, free food for existing customers, blah, 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 blah. There are a couple of them that are legit and are on, they're like a limited time offer. DIY and couponing. Let's take a quick look.
Uploaded the $100 for free groceries from Instacart, but DoorDash does have 2 more promo codes that came out today. I wasn't eligible for them, but like always, go ahead and give it a try yourself and see if it works for you. The first one is for 50% off your total, and it is literally half. That is the promo code. I'm going to go ahead and try it out for you guys to see for myself, and like I said earlier, it did not work. Like every other coupon seems to not work for me, but it's okay, guys. I'm going to go ahead and try it out on it.
So for something like this, she's just straight up giving you the promo codes, which are more than likely legit. I've seen a couple of her videos before I started recording this one, and they seem pretty, there's nothing invasive about it. You can go to your own app and try it out. And more than likely right now, as of April 18th, all of her promo codes are expired. So that won't work. But I did come across one that you should not do. I don't know if it's legit. I'm not going to try it. You shouldn't try it, because it could potentially void the warranty on your phone. It could brick your phone. They could upload viruses into your phone. It's just no good. So we're going to take a quick look at this one. So what he's going to do is he's going to show you how to install this app on your phone, and it requires going to your settings, changing a bunch of settings, which some of it doesn't make sense, but this is why I'm telling you not to do this. Change a bunch of battery settings, timeout settings, and stuff like that, and then go to a website, not your app store, but to a different website on your browser and download it from there. That is a big no-no, and do not do that. That is, unless you 100% know what you're doing, know what you're getting into, because sometimes there are apps that do require you to go through a website to download. But for something like this on YouTube telling you to go to a sketchy website, do not do that. And as I scan through or scroll through, there's just so many of these. My best advice to you is, if you come across just a straight up promo code, try it out. It's not going to hurt you. They can't take over your account or credit card number or anything just for putting in a simple promo code. Now, if you have to give access to an application or credit card access to something else or somebody else, or just anything like that, that's a scam. Do not do that. There are ways to get promo codes, but it has to be the straight promo code. You can't be putting in your credit card information or your app information or anything like that. That's how they fish you. That's how they get your stuff. And that's how they make your life a living hell. Could potentially ruin your bank account, your credit. It could go on and on and on. So don't do that. And for the last of it, let's take a look at something like this. Okay, apparently he's already applied a promo code. I'm going to blur that website out because I'm not promoting that. That's another thing. If you have to go to a website like that, if you're getting a promo code off of any website, make sure it's something reputable. Like sometimes banks, credit card companies will offer gift cards or discounts or anything like that through their website, and it'll be marked clear that it's their website doing that. If somebody's just giving you like this, if somebody's just giving you some random website, don't do it. So with that, I just wanted to make a quick video about that, just because it's been popping up. I don't know why it's been popping up so much. when putting out my videos. So I figured I'd jump on that and see what it was all about to see if it's legit or not. And like everything else, it's too good to be true sometimes. So if you do get a promo code, make sure it's a straight promo code and you're not putting any information in. And with that, have a great day. I'll have a new video out later this week, so check it out, or check out any of my other videos that I posted. My most recent video I had the most fun with, so definitely check that out. And if this video was helpful to you, put down a like, subscribe, share, comment, you know, all of that fun stuff. All of that greatly helps the channel, and I would be super appreciative if you did. With that, have an absolutely wonderful day, and I will catch you later.